Hi Chris, this video is for you to show you take apart the machine. You just need a tool, screwdriver or screw. Now I show you how to take apart the machine and check the PCB board. Now action. Remove that case and then remove screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws. Remove all. The next, remove the screws on the gear. 1, 2, 3 whole screws. Please well know. And these screws, 2 screws, and then take off this. Take off this, and then next. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, and then we can remove that case. And then we can check the PCB board.